Master the art of fill-in-the-blank questions in English tests. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have a special topic that many of you have been asking about. Mastering fill-in-the-blank questions in English tests. Yes, you heard it right. We are going to dive into strategies and tips to ace these types of questions. So, if you're prepping for an English exam or just looking to improve your language skills, this video is for you. Fill-in-the-blank questions are exactly what they sound like. You will see a sentence with a missing word, or sometimes multiple missing words, and it's your job to complete the sentence in a way that makes sense both grammatically and contextually. Example: John is going to the _____ to buy some groceries. Here, you could fill in the blank with store, market, or mall. The idea is to choose a word that fits the context. One of the most critical aspects of solving fill-in-the-blank questions is understanding the context. Look for clues in the surrounding words, phrases, or sentences. Tips: 1. Read the sentence before and after. Sometimes the missing word is a part of a larger concept or topic. 2. Identify word relationships. Look at the words before and after the blank, as they can help identify what kind of word should be there. While context is important, understanding basic grammar rules is also crucial. Is the blank asking for a noun, a verb, or perhaps an adjective? Should it be in the past tense or present tense? Quick tips. 1. Identify the part of speech. Look at the structure of the sentence to figure out what part of speech is needed. 2. Tense matters. The tense of the sentence can help you eliminate some options. Your vocabulary can be your best friend when answering fill-in-the-blank questions. The more words you know, the better your chances of choosing the most accurate word for the context. Strategies. 1. Synonyms and antonyms. Sometimes, knowing the opposite of a word can help you figure out what should go in the blank. 2. Word connotations. Words can have positive, negative, or neutral connotations, and understanding these can help in selecting the most appropriate word. The best way to get good at fill-in-the-blank questions is simply to practice. The more you do, the better you'll get at spotting the clues that help you fill in that blank correctly. Tips for practice. 1. Mock tests. Try out some practice exams that focus on fill-in-the-blank questions. 2. Review and learn. After taking practice tests, review your answers to understand your mistakes. Alright folks, that wraps up today's video on mastering fill-in-the-blank questions in English tests. I hope you found these strategies helpful. Remember, context is king, but grammar and vocabulary are also crucial. So keep practicing, and you'll become a fill-in-the-blank master in no time. See you in the next video.